Alright, so in this video we are talking about window film removal, and I'm gonna show you the basic tools and techniques that you're gonna use for window film removal. So not every film is the same and not every film can be removed the same way. But the standard, I would say industry standard tools to use for window film removal, it's gonna be 4-inch heavy-duty scraper. We see it on the back. One of our guys already using it. And the other important tool is a 6-inch triumph scraper. We have it here. And this tool is, I would say, it's not a heavy-duty tool, but that's a very precise tool, and I would say a lot safer for the glass than 4-inch power scraper. And all the clean work that we need to do and glue removal, 6-inch triumph scraper, probably the best tool to use. So as you can see, the main thing we have to do is we have to find a corner where film is already lifted up, take it and try to rip it off from the glass. Sometimes it goes really clean. For example, this panel over here has no film. I mean, it actually has a film. No, it's done. It's only one small piece over here, and we practically don't have a glue on it. But as we can see on the other panels, for example, this one, we have a lot of glue, which makes the work a little bit harder because we're gonna need to remove that glue. So there are two solutions that you can use for glue removal. First, and the easiest one, and probably the less messy one, is just the soap and water. Guys are using pressure tank, the same as we use it for window film installation. And you can try to scrape it with 6-inch razor blade. And as you can see, it's very easy. It's very easy to remove it. Look at this. This is how the glue looks. Like a boogers. But not always this is the case, and not always you can remove glue same way with using a 6-inch scraper and just soap and water. For harder to remove glue, we're using some kind of chemicals that will dissolve the glue. It could be even poof off that you can buy practically in any hardware store or Home Depot. Or for some tougher stuff, we have a little bit better chemical. This is rapid remover. We simply put it in a spray bottle, spray it on the glass, and it will lift up the glue and make it soft really, really fast. And in some cases, it makes our life a lot easier. So here we can see that Michael is ready to scrape and clean the glass from the glue. The film is already removed, and the only thing left is to clean up the glue. So you gotta be careful when you scrape it, and as I see, Michael is starting really slow. He's checking on the scratches to make sure that he will not scratch the glass. If you see the signs of that glass could be potentially scratched with the razor blade, obviously you need to go to the plan B, and it's using something like steel wool and rapid remover, because rapid remover will lift that glue, otherwise you won't be able to clean it off properly. But in our case, the glass is good, scraping really easy. I would say it's like super easy. This is one of the cases when the film is coming off not that hard. And the bigger the piece, the harder it's gonna be to remove it. And in some cases, I advise to carefully slice the film in the middle so you can remove it single stripes, 1 feet. Okay, so this was Andrew from another Manhattan project. I just show you how we remove window film. If you have any question, leave it in the comment, and I'll see you in the next video.